Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, here we are again. It is deja vu all over again. The leopard never changes its spot. Everything changes but remains the same. Abba Kyari 2.0. So again, the headline: I don't report directly to the nation, I report to the president. Professor Gambari speaks after his appointment. So now let's now see what Buhari's new man Friday has to say for himself. Professor Ibrahim Gambari, the newly appointed Chief of Staff to the President who assumed office today, May 13, has pointed out that he will only be reporting to the President and not the nation. Gambari gave this clarification when he spoke to State House correspondents after attending the Federal Executive Council meeting in the State House, Abuja. The 75-year-old diplomat thanked President Buhari for his appointment. So these are his words. I thank the President of the Federal Republic for giving me the opportunity to serve him and, of course, the nation, he said. When asked what Nigerians should expect from him as Chief of Staff, he said, "We have not started. I have to find out. I don't report directly to the nation. I report to the president." So get lost, effectively, is what this guy is saying to you. Get lost. You know, I mean, there's no other way to read it other than get lost, because of course Abba Kyari has set the template of that position now as effectively the de facto president of the country. And of course we know that Malam Buhari is comatose and convalescing within the Aso Rock effectively sick bed that is in. So obviously the president missing in action, the next in line should be the vice president of, but of course we know that they have already turned Yemi Osinbajo into some sort of like a lady boy, so he's discounted. So the go-to then, of course, as has been now created and templated by Abba Kyari, is the Chief of Staff. But then this guy is now saying now that he doesn't really owe you any explanation for what he does with the nation. So effectively, a governmentless sort of country is effectively what we have. We don't have a government, and if you look at it critically, you would agree that we don't have a government. We have a supposed president, Malam Buhari, who is comatose and convalescing in Aso Rock, as I've already stated, and as you are aware. We have a vice president, Osinbajo, who has been completely emasculated, and the next go-to power base within that tripartite structure is the Chief of Staff, who is now telling you that it doesn't really owe you an explanation. So we have no government in Nigeria, effectively, is what we have, because the next in line will be Ahmed Lawan, the Senate president. But then of course he's an errand boy. He was an errand boy to Abba Kyari, and of course he will be an errand boy to this guy, and if we just do as he is told. So effectively now, get lost is what the Buhari regime is now saying to the Nigerian population. But will you get lost as you have been instructed is really what my question is. Come give me answers to this question in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this rudderless governance that we purport to have within the Nigerian space, just latching from one anarchy to the other. Come tell me what you make of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.